Chris Rochnaut, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. Today I'll be unboxing and giving an overview of the Wearable Translator 2. This is from a company called Timekettle. This was one of the big hits at CES, and we're excited to give it a try. We tried it out at CES, but we're also going to give it a try just by the different languages that we know, Spanish and French, also English. Hopefully we know that a little bit too. So this is the case. They come together, they're magnetic, and it's the charger case. And here's the headphones. You wear one of the headphones in your ear, and then you give the other headphone to the other person, and each person hears what each person is saying, and then the phone app translates it. The phone app works for iOS 11 and above, and Android 7 and above. These are quite light. A person at CES was speaking Chinese, and it translated almost immediately. It uses different translating technologies depending on where you are in the world. So if you're in China, it won't be using Google, it'll be using some other system. And of course, different countries that block different services, it'll automatically switch in between the machine translated services. It's pretty good. It's about 85–90% accurate, but with the more simple languages like Spanish, French, English, all those, it's much higher, spot on. So we're excited to give it a continued try, but I've already tested it at CES and I like it quite a bit. They may have a firmware update in the future where you can use these to listen to music. So right now they're just for translation, and we like that because if you're traveling, this is an automatic translator through your phone, and it shows you on your phone what you're saying and what the other person is saying, so you get the gist of what's going on. This is Chris Rochnaut, 24K on Twitter.